Changing your payout method on Rover is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings through your preferred method. Step 1. Log into your Rover account. Visit the Rover website or open the Rover app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the menu under your profile or account name. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Payout Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Add or change your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Rover. Make sure to check your payment settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date.